हेलो
हेलो जी, वेलकम टू सिटी 1016। आगे बोलो।
गेड़ी मारो
वेलकम टू सिटी 1016, जहाँ पर वी टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट मूव्स विद टायर्स, ऑब्वियसली कार्स, बाइक्स एंड maybe some more mechanical things.
anything that is moving, anything on wheels, anything on tires, anything which has tires, everything. कार कल्चर के बारे में सब कुछ आपके लिए.
And this is Sid and I am Shom and welcome to Gedi Maro, Saturdays 5 to 6 p.m.
Okay, so now that the formalities are done, बताएं सर किस चीज के साथ में हम शुरू करेंगे आज?
यार वीकेंड है and last weekend we had our very first Formula 1 race
Correct.
in Australia.
Correct.
बड़ा मजा आया,
Melbourne was एकदम wet.
एकदम गीला,
गीला.
बारिश.
It was actually a good race.
was a
काफी
very-
सारी टीम्स जो है अब उनको पता चल रहा है कौन कितने पानी में है लिटरली.
तो सबसे पहला तो was the banter, well the communication or comms between Lewis Hamilton and उसका race manager.
Please don't repeat. Please don't repeat. Yes, I hear you. Please don't repeat.
Leave it with me.
Yes.
Leave it with me.
Please don't repeat. I liked how every time वो जब भी बोल रहा था अपने बोनो को, फरारी वाले बोनो को, he was always saying please.
हाँ.
I liked how he was just being
Polite.
sarcastically respectful.
Yeah.
You know?
Because they aren't allowed to abuse anymore, right?
Correct.
So they aren't allowed to use curse words.
Correct. Which is why I thought he played it wonderfully.
हाँ. But putting his performance or driving aside, मेरे को खाली एक चीज याद आ रही थी
जी.
उस टाइम पे
हाँ.
कि पहले तो इसकी कमेंट्री हिंदी में होनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
And the only person who's fit to do commentary for such an event
हाँ जी.
is only one person.
Which is?
Navjot Singh Sidhu.
अच्छा. I was thinking. और जावेद जाफरी जिस हिसाब से वो पुराना वाला जो शो होस्ट करते थे, that Takeshi's Castle.
I cannot recall the dialogues for that.
But the way he was hosting Takeshi's
अच्छा.
Castle, it is epic.
Okay.
जिस हिसाब से जावेद जाफरी.
हाँ, जावेद जाफरी है.
Yeah.
आपने जावेद अख्तर बोला.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ.
The other person I think who could have done justice to the Hindi commentary is Javed Jafri.
हाँ.
Takeshi's Castle. The way he's hosted usko, he can definitely rip Formula 1 के announcers को apart.
पर तो I could literally just imagine Navjot Singh Sidhu's dialogues, you know. एक तो ठोको था,
हाँ.
एक था क्या छा गए गुरु, और तीसरा एक और फनी था, हमको अभी याद नहीं आ रहा. But literally it was so entertaining. Proper masala. All the new guys crashed.
Yes.
पानी था. The race was, they were driving slower than they should. And the competition between Max and Lando Norris was absolutely spectacular to see.
I love the fact कि सारे के सारे लोग जो लोगों को लग रहा था कि it will be the best race for Lewis, वो सारे के सारे छट गए. I love the fact when there was one interview of Alonso before the race कि I know the circuit better than any of these rookies. नए लड़के आए हैं सारा कुछ and all of that.
उसे नहीं होगी.
वही 10th lap या 30th lap के अंदर he was also out because of the race, because of traction control being out and all of that. But that's what I was saying कि it's मतलब सबको it brought it to a plain level feel.
Correct. No, but I think Lewis will become better once he gets used to the car.
Absolutely.
And obviously when it's a bit more towards his driving style.
Absolutely.
What was surprising is to see Williams. Williams, 5th place, Albon in 5th place. They got points, I don't know, after years. कितने टाइम के बाद में points मिला Williams को, जरा देखो. एक record हुआ एक.
I think after Schumacher left them.
नहीं यार, इतने खराब भी नहीं है.
No, but one person I genuinely thought was really pushing and he made a mark. He might not have been the podium finisher, but he definitely made a mark, was Oscar Piastri.
Yeah. But he came third, no?
It was
his car DNF.
Yeah.
DNF हुआ, हाँ.
But the thing was that he made a mark and he was good on the circuit. जितना भी time के लिए he was
Correct.
there.
Now, I hope and I'm praying that success in Formula 1 leads to success for McLaren as a car manufacturer. And it translates to sales.
Well, I do feel that this is probably why they are in the game now.
Correct. Yeah.
which is why people get into, or the companies get into Formula One, right?
Right.
It's a place जहाँ पे they get their technologies out, they make it a branding exercise अपने लिए, they make sure कि people get to know.
Yeah.
And now with the Netflix series also,
Yeah.
it's like बच्चे को मालूम है कि McLaren कौन सी है, and Williams की टीम कौन सी वाली है, and Renault के साथ में क्या हुआ था, and Honda के engines किसके अंदर लग रहे हैं, and which is the next team coming up.
Correct.
All of these guys are definitely building on for the next generation as well. So
100%.
it's a good branding and marketing exercise.
100%. I
For
absolutely
sales,
agree.
definitely, I have a feeling it will grow. Definitely.
It will grow. It should grow.
Yeah.
Provided
Yeah.
पैसे आए. कोई तो पैसे दे भाई चलाने के लिए. 2 साल संभालो हमें, फिर देखो हम क्या करते हैं.
Let's hope. Let's
Let's hope.
pray. It's good for the industry as a whole, so to speak.
But I think, see, McLaren to drive, they are absolutely spectacular cars. I'm very fond of them. The only issue comes up with is reliability, which needs to change.
True.
Once that changes, their cars to drive are probably one of the best cars I have ever driven in my life.
Completely agree. Completely agree. Okay. So Formula One Australian Grand Prix is done. The next one is going to be the Chinese Grand Prix.
Correct.
And that is going to happen in a week's time. लेकिन what about the launches in the car industry? कोई नए वाले launches हुए?
यार locally तो कुछ वैसे कुछ तोड़-फोड़ launch नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, तोड़-फोड़
launch नहीं हुआ.
ये पता चल रहा है who's the देसी कहाँ से ये बॉम्बे वाले हैं भाई साहब.
So, but we had a lot of events with iftars and suits with all the brands.
Right.
What we saw internationally was the launch of this one-of-one Bentley, the Bentley Batur
Batur.
Black Rose.
अच्छा ये पूरा नाम है.
हाँ, Bentley Batur Black Rose.
One of one when you say तो this was introduced and बाकी सबको बोला गया कि गरीबों देख लो.
तो
ये तुम्हारी हो सकती थी लेकिन not happening.
तो Bentley Continental GT है, which is a two-door Grand Tourer.
Right.
फिर उन्होंने बातुर निकाली,
हाँ.
18 cars.
Okay.
Okay. फिर ये अभी एक निकाली जो बातुर की भी बाप है. So बातुर Black Rose.
बातुर में.
हाँ.
Okay.
It is epic. It's called Black Rose.
Okay. So what is different in this one?
So it's a coach built car.
Okay.
Bentley used to be known for coach building back in the day.
Correct.
मतलब वो आप उसको बोलो कि मुझे ये डिजाइन बनानी है और वो डिजाइन बना के देगा आपको गाड़ी बना के देगा. External aspects, bespoke.
Right.
So they've taken that and they have built a Batur coach built car.
Okay.
So they took the Flying Spur, they took the Continental GT and they made it Batur with a bespoke bodywork.
Okay.
Only 18 cars, hard tops,
Okay.
and then 12 convertibles. ठीक है, इन्होंने बना दी.
ठीक है.
फिर बोला कि बातुर की हम एक और bespoke version बनाएंगे, which is the Black Rose.
अच्छा.
So it's got this very interesting paint scheme on the exterior, which looks black and it has accents of pink gold inside, like rose gold. And the interior is also like made of pink gold, not real pink gold, but the entire color inside is pink gold. Looks beautiful, looks spectacular.
If you had to guess कि ये one of one किसके लिए बनाई गई है?
हमारे एरिया में यार, हमारे
Has to be from somebody from Dubai.
सोना है भाई, सोना. We are used to be called the city of gold. Remember back in the day, gold soup के ऊपर लिखा होता था city of gold. Did you see
मेरे को
that?
वो याद नहीं है. नहीं, I wasn't here that
हाँ.
time.
So if you go to Gold Souk, like the actual
old
Chhapra
Gold
market,
Souk.
the actual Chhapra market, it used to be the city of gold, Dubai city of gold.
तो बातुर 101 black gold has to be.
Black Rose.
अरे Black Rose, sorry.
Black Rose.
Okay. Which was the other one that was launched?
So following the theme of pink, I don't know pink का क्या हो रहा है आजकल. Morgan launched a new car called the Super Sport, and the launch color was pink color. By the way, this is the same pink color that was used on the Jaguar Type 00. अभी पब्लिक को क्या हुआ? पब्लिक इसको गाली नहीं दिया.
अभी मे बी उन्होंने देखा नहीं. मॉर्गन इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं है अपनी मार्केटिंग के साथ.
नहीं भाई.
या फिर उन्होंने अपना ब्रांड चेंज नहीं किया. ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट उन्होंने जिसके साथ में करवाए थे वो सब कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, but for people who don't know Morgan, Morgan is also a coach built car, British car manufacturer, and they take the engine and the drivetrain from BMW, and the rest is custom built to look like an old car.
Which is very interesting.
Yes.
You know, it is one of those, अगर आप पुरानी गाड़ियां अगर आपको पसंद हैं, पुराने मॉडल्स आपको पसंद हैं, the shapes and everything, but with a new heart and soul, I would say, that you can just go out and enjoy the drive So these are just brilliant. And I remember Morgan's the one जो तीन पहिए भी होते थे जिनके.
हाँ, so they have
Exactly,
three
right?
wheelers. It's called a three wheeler.
It's called a trike or it's
No,
called
no, no. So the design, yes. The technical term is a trike because
you
it's
have
three
two in
wheeler.
front, one in the back, right?
So, but this is called the Morgan three wheeler.
Yes.
Sadly, people with car licenses cannot drive that. You need a motorcycle license for that.
Exactly.
But it's a spectacular looking thing.
Fantastic.
The Super Sport.
Hmm.
So it's a new Super Sport. They
Okay.
had one before.
Hmm.
So it's a completely new shape. I mean,
Huh.
it's the same shape. It looks like an old car.
Yeah.
But it's all new. Everything inside the car is new. So the air conditioning, electricals, audio system, everything works like a modern car. It can even get satellite navigation if you want in that. So it's all brand spanking new.
And this engine, you said it was a BMW.
BMW. Same engine as a Supra.
Same engine as the Supra.
Yes.
And
Yes.
what about the price range?
So if you think of it, it's around 500,000 dirhams.
Okay.
So $110,000 give or take. So around 500,000
So
dirhams.
around 400 to 500 के बीच में
हाँ.
is somewhere where
Correct.
this one comes in. And the Supra is around 300 के आसपास?
350 के आसपास.
350 के
Yeah.
आसपास. So if you had to choose between the Supra and the Morgan, the Super
any
Sport,
day, any day, any day.
same here.
So the Morgan, it's very
It has
interesting.
an identity.
Exactly.
When you enter, लोगों को मतलब वो मुड़ के देखेगा कि
हाँ.
कौन आया है, ये क्या आया है.
Correct. तो मेरे पास टेस्ट के लिए there's another model below this called the Plus 4
हाँ.
जो उन्होंने मुझे भेजी हुई थी 2-3 साल पहले.
Right.
और मैंने चलाई थी गाड़ी. Every single person on the road was turning around to see कि ये क्लासिक कार चला रहा है. और मैं गर्मी में पीक समर में चला रहा था मैं. तो लगा यार ये how is this guy managing to drive this car?
But it
In the
had
summer.
the new engines, it had the new
Yeah,
gearbox,
same
it
gear,
had everything. It had all the
everything,
amenities जो चाहिए होता है.
everything. Spectacular. Super fun.
If you're an enthusiast, you have to check out the Morgans out here in Dubai. Go to the showroom. It is brilliant.
And go take a test drive
Yeah.
because you will genuinely enjoy driving them. It's a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. Okay. So now let's get back to which are the launches हो गए. Formula 1 का हो गया.
हाँ.
What next?
You were supposed to ask me a question.
Which was what?
You know, before we shoot, we have this thing that we discuss, right? What topics we may talk about today. We have a bullet
Acha,
point.
हाँ, acha, okay, right,
हाँ.
got it. Okay.
हाँ.
So we were just going through the whole list of things that we wanted to talk about on the podcast.
Yes.
And uske andar, you had the Formula 1 news, you had the Morgan
Yes.
coming out, you had the Bentley,
Correct.
and there was something called the surprise.
Correct.
Bro.
तो मैं वहीं से आ रहा हूँ अभी.
क्या?
What do you think is exciting enough for me to write surprise? चलो guess मारते हैं.
अच्छा, मेरे को options दिए जाएं कंप्यूटर जी.
नहीं मिलेंगे options.
बेड़ा गर्क हो तुम्हारा.
नहीं बोलो. अरे चलो.
अच्छा बता, कौन से वाले?
बहुत कीमती चीज है.
बहुत कीमती चीज तो Bro, we just talked about the Bentley 1
हाँ.
तो उससे ज्यादा कीमती है?
Possibility.
तूने नया घर लिया?
नहीं यार, हम लोग गाड़ी की बात करें. गेड़ी मारो है भाई, गेड़ी मारने की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर.
मेरे को क्या मालूम. यहाँ तो तेरे पास में सालिक का कुछ आया है अंदर की खबर जिसके अंदर तेरे पास में 10,000 शेयर आ गए
भाई
सालिक के.
वो इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग होता है, वो हम खुल के बात नहीं कर सकते.
क्या है?
So I just went and saw the brand new Bugatti Tourbillon. वहीं से शूट करके आ रहा हूँ मैं, बाय द वे. वही शूट खत्म करके मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा हूँ.
मैं तेरे को बात बताऊँ जेन्युइनली,
हाँ.
मेरे को आज तक नहीं मालूम था उस वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होता है. मैं हमेशा कर दे रहा हूँ. ना?
Tourbillon.
टू बी ऑन.
हाँ. L is silent. फ्रेंच है यार.
हाँ तो मैं तभी बोलता ही नहीं था, मैं बोलता बुगाटी है. शिरोन दियावल वो क्या दूसरी वाली उसकी बुलेट. मैं इसके अंदर घुसते नहीं था. वो टेबल जहाँ पे दिखता था मेरे को, मैं वो एड्रेनलिन करके निकल जाया.
एक्सेंट क्या होता है ऊपर वो बात. Tourbillon.
To be on.
हाँ.
To be on. Okay. So
No,
what is this?
So it is the brand new Bugatti.
What is it?
So Bugatti is the world's fastest car manufacturer. Like, I mean, they hold record for the world's fastest road going car. वो रिकॉर्ड टूटते रहता है, वो लोग वापस लेते रहते हैं, वो लोग का चालू रहता है.
हाँ.
But this is the third version. After the series of the Veyron, the Chiron, and now the Tourbillon.
Okay.
तो ये इनकी तीसरी गाड़ी आ गई.
Right.
they had the W16 engines in the Chiron and the Veyron.
Right.
So W16 मतलब दो V8 को उन्होंने join करके W16 किया था. 4 turbochargers. I mean, the technology in that car, especially
They
when
had
it
to
was
revamp the technology altogether for the car.
no, they made new technology.
Correct.
Veyron में तो they were losing money per car.
Absolutely.
They made money in the Chiron,
Correct.
but when they were selling the Veyron, they were actually losing money per car they sold.
But that's all branding, no?
Correct. But now they've come up with a brand new platform, brand new car,
Okay.
brand new engine,
Okay.
V16.
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 Not a W16.
No. So it's a V16.
मतलब कि 8 इधर 8 इधर.
Yes. Correct.
तो गाड़ी कितनी लंबी है?
It's actually pretty short. So they made a new engine in collaboration with Cosworth.
Okay.
Okay. The same guys who make the engine for Gordon Murray's T50.
Correct.
Gordon Murray is the same guy who made the McLaren F1.
Correct.
Okay. So Cosworth, Bugatti together have built a naturally aspirated V16 and assisted by 3 electric motors, 2 in the front, 1 at the back. 1800 horsepower. 1800 horsepower की गाड़ी है. Just mind blowing. So
Okay.
So forget the 0 to 100 ka speed.
छोड़ दे.
Talk about 0 to 400. So
That happens in 8 seconds.
no.
Come on यार.
0 to
फिर कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. इतनी सारी मोटर लगाने का क्या फायदा हुआ? इतना पैसा मैं क्यों खर्चा करूं?
0 to 300 is less than 10 seconds.
अच्छा ठीक है.
But 0 to 400 is less than 25 seconds.
Just to put it into perspective, 0 to 400 normally लोग जाते भी नहीं है.
तो हवाई जहाज चल जाता उतने में.
जाते भी नहीं है. So yeah.
So it is just mind blowing. That car looks superb. The finishing, the whole look and feel. It's like,
Is it as big as the Veyron, or is it slightly bigger, smaller?
no.
What is the
So
size?
you've seen the Veyron, right?
Yes.
So when you look at Bugattis in pictures, it looks like a big car.
But in real life, they are very small.
It's actually quite small.
Yeah.
And it is the same size or similar looking size. It's very aerodynamic. The functionality, the form, it's like jewelry. It's like a watch, like a really high-end Swiss watch. उन्होंने बैठ के design किया पूरा jewelry Swiss watch. You know, like something like a very precision instrument. The entire flow of air around that car, the design language, the cuts, the louvers, the whole thing is just beautiful. मतलब मेरे को, I just felt like standing over there and keep on looking at it. मैं like खड़े होकर मैं देखूँ भाई. I want to take it all in. Like there's so much going on in that car, and photos do not do it justice.
I'm sure. आते मुद्दे की बात. कितना?
$4 million
That 4 million.
starting, and
Of
only
course.
only 250 units. But
इसको लेके then you can resell it.
करो,
I'm
कमा लो.
just asking.
I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. But you have to see the interiors also because they're all analog.
There was one Bugatti I remember, which the analog interiors were moving with the steering wheel.
This one,
Right?
is this one.
This is the
car,
one,
yes,
right?
yes.
It looks brilliant.
It's like a watch.
Gorgeous.
It's like a watch.
It's like a movie. You're just sitting inside Avatar or something, and you're just driving, and it's straight out of one of those futuristic movies. Jitna bhi
That
hogi.
whole thing just looks beautiful. It's really like jewelry.
हाँ.
And there is no screen. Actually, there is screen, but you can hide it. So Bugatti is saying that they don't want screens because it destroys the ambience of the car.
Well, they are not going the fully electric way also. They are not saying with the EVs or the screens also. And pretty much they're going back to what cars used to be, which is good.
So the CEO, Matty Rimac, also owns Rimac Automobiles, right?
Correct.
He's the founder of Rimac.
Correct.
So when I asked Matty, what do you think of the brand? 2 separate brands.
Correct.
So with Rimac, they want to be all aggressive, full technology,
With EVs.
research everything that is there with EVs. Okay. And Bugatti, they want to go the polar opposite. Keep it classic, keep it analog, keep it elegant, and go high tech with Rimac and go analog with Bugatti. Which is, I mean, you're technically doing the same, you're doing 2 opposite things.
But you're
The same person is doing
Yeah,
2
yeah.
opposite things, but at the same time, it's doing brilliant.
justice to both.
Yes, absolutely, justice to both.
Well done. Shabash, Matty, I like you.
Thank you.
Not that it makes a difference in your life, but still, hats off to you. I mean, it takes guts to say that we don't want to do this in this one.
Yeah, correct. No, he's done a fabulous. Like the whole team has done a fabulous job.
Hmm.
You have to see the 2BO in person to understand how gorgeous it is.
Now that I know how to pronounce it, I will definitely go and say, excuse me, Bugatti.
2BO भेजो.
Let's see the 2BO, please. अब आगे
सही पकड़े, सही पकड़े.
Okay.
Okay,
So that was a surprise.
that was a surprise.
I like the surprise.
हाँ,
Very nice.
तो
Hmm.
अभी एक सवाल है.
हाँ जी.
If you had to drive one classic car
One classic car.
and keep it like your own classic car,
हाँ जी.
which one would it be and why?
Okay. Well, classic car.
Classic car.
Not. Okay.
No resto mod.
No resto mod. Correct.
Classic car.
Classic car.
हाँ, by resto mod we mean a body that looks old from the outside, but everything inside is made new for the car.
Not like the Morgan.
So the Morgan also is not considered a resto mod because it's a new car by itself.
Correct. Which is they have the old design and the old shape, but the rest of the things are all new.
नहीं, resto mod में it's an old car.
Correct.
It's an existing old car.
So we can't go that way.
Yeah. So example, you take a Jaguar E-Type and you put everything inside new. That is a resto mod.
ठीक है.
The shape is identifiable as a Jaguar E-Type. That way.
Done. Okay. So if you ask a classic car, I would have to go with the Stingray, the Corvette Stingray, the 67 or the 65 model.
जो NASA के astronauts को मिली थी.
जो NASA के astronauts को मिली थी,
Correct.
which has the curved back
Yeah.
glass.
Yeah.
And जिसकी लाइटें are the
ऊपर नीचे होती है.
ऊपर नीचे वाली. I like that.
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, thank you.
Can
What
you guess which I would buy?
Which one?
Can you guess?
Is it a Porsche?
No.
Okay. Is it a Mercedes?
No.
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 Okay. Which one then?
Ferrari 250 GT Lusso.
250 GT?
Lusso.
Lusso. Okay.
Car was built
Huh.
between 1962 to 1964.
Huh.
It is a Grand Tourer
Correct.
car. So they took the Ferrari GTO short wheelbase, which was the racing going
Correct.
car, which is one of the most valuable cars on earth today.
Right.
And they made a Grand Tourer version of it. They made it longer.
Hmm.
And they put the
Two
engine in
more
the front.
seats.
Uh-huh.
They put two more seats at the
No,
back.
no, so
they
there-
put a dicky at the back.
So there's actually another version of this where there is two more seats at the back.
I know.
So it's called the GTE 2+2. That's
Oh.
a different version.
That is a different version.
I want only the 2 seats wala.
Achha, you don't want the
I don't want
two-seater.
4 seats.
You don't want the family car. You want to just drive it with yourself.
Correct. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Very good.
And it looks just drop dead gorgeous to me.
हाँ.
जो दिन मुझे चलानी गाड़ी मैं वो वाली ले रहा हूँ जाके.
If you had to choose one car for your garage, would that be the one?
You mean the only car?
The only car.
No, it won't be my only.
वो कौन सी होगी?
यार वो दुविधा में डाल दिया मुझे भी. Now he's surprising me.
To be on. To be continued. To be on.
तू भी हो नहीं सकता है.
उसके बाद में पैसे तो बचे ही नहीं किसी चीज के लिए.
क्यों नहीं? क्यों नहीं? हमारे पास बहुत पैसे हैं.
अरे हाँ 10,000 shares मिले इसको सालिक के. Okay, but that's it for us today. If you have any suggestions, let us know. Also, if you would want to tell us कि आप कौन सी classic car लेना चाहेंगे, if that was a criteria, let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. This is Gedi Maro with Sid and Shivam.
City 1016.